Hey you guys, I'm back with a hair review. I know I haven't done one in mega long, but I'm doing this. I forgot where this company was from, where I got this from, what company. I'll leave it down below. I had this for a minute. I was supposed to have been did this review, but I'm doing it now, so relax. Okay, so this is, I think it's an HD frontal, and I've been wanting this for so long. Ooh, gifts. Okay, so it came with these lashes. Pretty like natural, if you want to go natural. That's like more my speed. I probably won't go like heavy. Like these is like the heaviest. If you want to see this look, the video might be up already, or I will put it up, but it's going to be up. This is cute. Okay. Oh, and it comes with cap. I like gifts. No. I love gifts. Okay. Simple things. All right, so let's get to the baby. Lacefrontal. Let's see what it's working with. I think I got a 14-inch Brazilian straight, but like I said, I'll put everything down below. Okay, it's pretty soft. Pretty soft. Ooh, luster on yes ma'am. Luster on yes ma'am. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to see, because it looked like they bleached it a little bit. See, it looked like they bleached the knots a little bit. That's different. Or maybe it's because it's a HD. I don't know. Y'all like my curls though? Yes, wig by me. You know I make wigs. Y'all know that? Did y'all know I make wigs? No, okay, I do though, but that's beside the point. Plug, shameless plug. Okay, so let's see it on my arm if I can show y'all. I don't freaking know. Hold up, wait a minute. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. Okay, so it's pretty like seamless on my arm. Like you can't really see where the lace is, you know? Okay, like I never had an HD, so ooh, let me try to turn on my fan. I hope it's not loud, but a bit is hot, and I'm a beast. Really? Okay, so that's not gonna happen. Okay, so yes, this is the HD lace. It's either HD or, because they got the invisible, I think. I don't know. Well, it's HD. I'm gonna say it's HD, and I'll put it down below. Let me smell. Don't stink. It doesn't stink. I'm trying to see. We got some strands. A little more. Let's just hope nothing. This look longer than a 14, right? Well, this is going to be my quick review. I just wanted to see it, and I want to show y'all. It does look like they bleached the knots a little bit. But like I said, this is my first time seeing a HD lace frontal up close, or a HD something in general. So, I don't know. But it doesn't stink. The density on here is pretty fair. It's not too thick. I mean, it's a good amount. I'm trying to part it for you guys. Hold on. And I have to hurry and make this, because I'm gonna start schmelting, and no one wants that. I know I don't. So when you part it, it looks pretty pretty. Pretty actually. Wow. Okay. It looks good. I don't think I need to bleach it. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Okay. So this is the HD frontal initial review. I like the luster it has. It's really soft, really soft in it. Like I said, it doesn't stink. It has like the regular package hair smell. Shipping took a little time because of, you know, the pandemic and stuff. But the communication was on point, so I really like that. I don't know what else to add. Yeah, this is a quick review. I will have another review after I want to hear, you know, do all that jazz and fast and skibberabas, you know. Alright, well, that was it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.